Yo, what is going on, everyone? So, take a look at CoinMarketCap today. So, I just saw this recently, and look at this new person on the block. ICP Internet Computer somehow made it to rank number 5 out of nowhere. Literally came out of nowhere. Boom, within a couple days, basically. Actually, literally, I'd say today, pretty much, it's just come out of nowhere and got onto rank number 5. And I'm sure not many people know much about this. I don't really know that much either, but I did look into it quite recently. And I'll show you guys why I think one, it went on number 5, and two, just some fun facts about this because I think this is really interesting. Out of nowhere, this company just pops up, boom, rank number 5. So let's go ahead. Let's just check it out. What in the world is going on? So at first when I saw this, I was like, I'd never heard about this, and I'm like, how does this make it to rank 5? And literally the date it went from like today, literally May 10th is today when I'm recording this. So it's like, how did you get to rank number 5 in like a matter of hours? And I was just looking at this. I was like, yo, what is this company? Again, I'll research more deep into this because it looks pretty legit from what I've seen, like on the websites and just briefly reading through the white papers. But out of nowhere, it goes to zero, boom, to like, what is that, like 730? Little dip, crazy. No, I mean, that's actually a pretty crazy dip. 146, and then back to pretty much, look at this. Now it's like 435. Now, but looking at this volume, all right, for the first one, it's like 591K. Like I'm assuming that's 500K, and then it literally says here volume $6. Like what? $6? How does that make any sense? And just remember, guys, this video is for entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice. Be sure you don't research before making any investments. But I was like, what exchange could this thing be on to be doing these numbers right here? And I click on it, and guess what I see? Coinbase. And I was like, wait a minute. So I did some digging, and guess what? This apparently was listed on Coinbase today. So this is new to me. Maybe people who've been following it for a while could comment down below some fun facts for more people to see this. But I think this is just more like a video. I just wanted to show, like, kind of like reviewing it and my thoughts. And I was like, okay, we got Coinbase. Now Coinbase is very well known in the U.S. I'd say markets, and they're pretty strict in regards to what they actually list on Coinbase, right? Because there's very few cryptocurrencies compared to like a Binance, who has basically almost everyone out there. So I was like, okay, what in the world does this do? So one thing too, if you guys want to learn more, you can just click on the white paper, and then you can click on their website as well. Now here, let's just go to Coinbase. So this was May 10th, which is literally the day. It said on their blog, Internet Computer ICP is now available on Coinbase. And I was like, okay, wow, so this is legit. This isn't, some randomness. But check this out. So they said pretty much you can trade all that fun stuff, and they gave like a little brief summary on this. Now I'll read the Coin Market Cap about section, but if you guys want to read the white paper, it looks kind of, I'd say, technical, probably complex. So I'm not gonna go too deep into it, but let's just read what Coinbase put to make our lives easier. So it says that the Internet Computer Utility Tokens (ICP) can be staked in its governance system to earn voting rewards or converted into cycles that can be used to power smart contract computation. And on the Internet Computer blockchain, these developers can create websites, enterprise IT systems, pan industry protocols, hyperscale open internet services, DeFi, and NFTs by deploying their code directly on the public internet. And you can read more about them. So it seems like it can do a lot of cool stuff here. Now, we can go ahead and actually let's just look at their website really quick, and then I'll read you a little overview because I'm so new to this. Like, this was literally minutes ago when I just found out about this, and I'm filming right now. So here is their website. So it looks pretty legit. They got a lot of information on here, and look at here, team 188 plus. Looks like we got some engineers, cryptographers, and operational experts. So seems like pretty stacked company right here. Seems like. Again, I'll have to go through the right paper, but I mean, we got some Forbes, Wall Street Journal, TechCrunch, Business Insider, the information. So some well-known brands in terms of features. But yeah, let's go ahead. And I believe this is the okay. This is how the internet is the same. Okay, here's a white paper. At least this is when I clicked here. I'm pretty sure this is the link that popped up, and it just says like what they do. Okay, so let's just take a look at this now. They are describing, let's see, the target audience, and then also there's some more stuff regarding, more details on what they do and all that fun stuff. So I'm not gonna spend too much time looking into this, at least in this video, because if I'm gonna do that, I'm probably gonna deep dive and go through it on my own, and then I'll record, update by the next video I post. But for the most part, it's not the most, I'd say, simple stuff. It seems pretty technical and things that if you're not a developer, they don't really matter to you, because typically these white papers, you can see it's a lot of terminology is used for like programmers and just like looking at certain code. So this stuff for most people who don't care are probably just gonna get fall asleep trying to read through this. But I just want to show you guys this, and then you can see some more fun stuff about the tech behind that. But I think that's pretty cool here. And then they say, how is the internet computer created? So they say it's formed by an advanced decentralized protocol, and they call that the ICP. And the independent data centers around the world run to combine the power of the individual computers into an unstoppable, seamless universe where internet native software is hosted and run with the same security guarantees as smart contracts. And it is integrated with the internet standards such as DNS and can serve user experiences directly to web browsers and smartphones. So here's just some more technical cool stuff here, but I'll leave off with looking at the actual, first off, look at the price and the stats, right? Because I completely looked over like the ranking, and I don't think this is going to maintain its accuracy, but maybe it could, who knows. But let's just look at this pricing, right? First of all, right now it's like almost, let's just round this up to 500, 492. Its current market cap, it's putting it at $60 billion. So I'm sure that once things get updated, that this will, change. But let's just say hypothetically, this remains the the current thing. Like that, first of all, would be nuts. A company that just got on exchange automatically, like today, literally. I mean, it looks like this was during the morning. I guess I'm new to this right now, seeing this but all of a sudden it's at 60 bill market cap. Like imagine you made a company. I'm sure they've been developing this for multiple years, but imagine you create this and then all of a sudden market cap is literally 60 bill. So I'm gonna check if there's a date in terms of it. So you can see some dates here, and you can actually see the product was founded in October 2016 by Dominic Williams. So this has been out for quite a bit, right? So that makes sense. It's been out for multiple years, but still, that's not even that long. If it's 2016, if I'm correct, that's literally what, like maybe like less than pretty much 5+ years, give or take. And all of a sudden, it's 60 plus bill already. Now the volume, I think that's something people should look at. So the volume is significantly high, 1.2 bill. That's a good amount of volume already. So just looking at it, we can see, let's see on the volume here. So Coinbase Pro is 428 million. Then we got Binance with 250 mil, and then we got Coinbase again with the other pairs. So it looks like most of the volume, I'd say over half a billion, or pretty much 500 million plus volume is coming from Coinbase. So in terms of liquidity, I'd assume for most retail people, you could probably trade this and be completely fine. Now, if you're just like a mega whale who has like billions of dollars worth of this, you probably won't have that much room to trade, because you can only trade on certain pairings with like, a few hundreds of mil. But looking at supply, it's pretty solid, 469 million pretty much. So not too crazy. Obviously, I had to look through the white paper and see some more stats, but I thought that was pretty cool. It looks pretty legit based off the website and just seeing the team and stuff behind it. But just to see it literally ranked number 5 out of nowhere, I thought that was pretty cool to share. So definitely let me know if you guys knew about ICP, and let me know what your thoughts are about it. Maybe some fun facts to share so more people can learn about it instead of them having to read through the white paper, spend hours on that. Let me know in the comments below some fun facts about ICP. And then also share your thoughts about it, whether you know if it's legit or, there's other things. Obviously, it's on Coinbase, so it must be legit in terms of its branding. But again, only time will tell how well it does. And do you think it's overvalued? Because it's literally ranked number 5 based off CoinMarketCap, at least with the current stats. So do you think it's overvalued, or do you think this is like a legitimate fair market value price? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And aside from that, guys, smash the like button. Posting more content like this every single day. So definitely smash the like button if you want to see some more updates like this. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.